How to fix Tekken 7 not opening easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Tekken 7 not opening easy and quick. First all you need to do just right click on Tekken and then go to properties and then go to this one here, compatibility, and now you will find it like that. Just enable this one and disable full screen. Now that's it. Run this program as an administrator. Now just click apply and click OK, and after that go to settings, go to privacy, scroll down. Here we'll find background apps, make sure it's turned off, and now just go back, restart your PC and try again, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.